are slowing down just a bit. The engineers seeking authorization to move on to the main rail line. Even though there's only 2 trains that work on that line now, and that is us and the Rock and Rail Mining Company. They had went through while everyone was waiting very patiently for them to. So there's a whole lot of tributaries and smaller rivers that run into the Arkansas for it to gain all that water. Now on the south side, you'll see the pink house over there. Back in the 1800s, of course, there was no house there. There's a hot spring. We used to be able to drive that road up until 20 years ago. At that time, Kansas City stopped all motorized traffic on Tunnel Drive, so you can either walk it, run it, hike it, ride a bicycle, or you can ride a horse. It is just a little over 3 miles one way. So if you get around it off hills, of course, you know that's 6 miles. It's a small spring that comes out of the ground. It's about 11 inches wide and it makes its way downhill. In fact, it's all downhill for 1,400 miles that it does go until it meets the Mississippi River. And when it does get into the Mississippi River, it's a little over half a mile wide. It is so wide, you have to have some bigger boat, a pilot's license or a captain's license to be able to navigate. The concrete structure in the river at one time was a bridge. It went from the north side to the south side. That bridge was put in for people to walk across it to get to the other side to work on that water line. The train would stop with about 100 inmates and they would walk across that bridge. And started back in 1929. It was built because of a bed between 2 men riding this train. The train had stopped on the hanging bridge, much like we'll go on the way back down. And one of those gentlemen says, I bet you can't do the bridge across that. The other one, being an engineer, said, I bet I can. 7 months later, Kansas City had a bridge to nowhere. That's for your own safety, and it'll make sure you have a good time. On that south side, you see more solid remnants of that water line. It was 20 inches in diameter. It was held together by a metal band every 3 inches apart. Now, Kansas City did go up a while because they wanted to get clearer water and less standstill. And outfly in the water further upstream they went. And they wanted to go far enough up to get that water pressure, that gravity pushing that water downhill into their water treatment in the town. It changed over water. So 1879, when they finished construction of that bridge, 10% of the train ran on the ground and 90% over water. Over 150 years ago, now it's been changed to 50% on the ground and 50% crossing that hanging bridge. Now you'll see those pivot points right in the middle. As the train goes through it on that bridge, it actually pushes down on the steel on both sides of the gorge, and that's what holds that bridge in place. And why did this railroad track get laid to begin with? It goes back to 1870. Westerners, one being Van Masterson and the other one being Doc Holliday. Doc Holliday, a few years later, would pass away. He went to the Springs, Colorado. Van Masterson is bringing his army up the canyon. They would fight each other over on the train here. He's going to lay one track. At the same time, Brad ended up with all the track space all the way to Leadville. They in turn would give the Santa Fe train $1.25 million for all the track they laid, and time and space through the gorge for their trains. In return, the Santa Fe train gave up track and train space for Pueblo to Denver to result in September
September 9th, 2019. I'm on the Royal Gorge train here.
On the south side,
I'll get back to you later.
That black streak of water line and then down into Canyon City. That old building you see, that old house is the caretaker's house. They lived in that until 1973. The caretakers worked in pairs. The two of them would walk all 8 miles of that water line every day to make sure there was nothing wrong with it. There was no damage, no leaks. If they were, they'd make immediate repairs to it. Also on that south side, you're going to see that water line is encased, or was encased in concrete, and that was to protect it during the runoff to prevent any kind of large rocks or boulders being rolled into that water line and damaging it.
Okay, I'm back. September 9th, 2019. I'm on the Royal Gorge train going down through the canyon here. I'm in the open car and get a lot of good views on both sides and the water on the other side. So we're going to enjoy the rest of the trip. So I'm One Man Travel signing off. See you later. Bye-bye.
In fact, he was out here yesterday working. He could be today. He works that, but I'm told in an effort to keep it in his family. It's been in his family for a very long time. That wooden structure on the south side is an old slough. It would set in the water and they would put their dirt, sand, gravel, and silt in there. The water would turn those tumblers and that would separate any minerals from any other. That was a question that many years ago there was a miniature train that would drive out there. You could ride that train and take pictures of the bridge. That's all you could do. When people first would come out to go on the bridge, they would, there you're getting a good view of the Royal Gorge Bridge. Again, the nation's highest suspended bridge, 1,170 feet, unless you zip line. Still remains today. 50% of the train is on ground, the other 50% is over water. Now we are passing a natural fault in the gorge because we're going to know it on this north side. You're going to feel that nice gust of cold air coming out. On a hot day, you really like to be sitting here because that cool air comes out all the time. Now it does go over to the other side, the fault does. Now we're here on the hanging bridge again. We'll be here for 5 or 6 minutes. The gorge wall here is black. That's not its natural color. Because it's black, we have to go back to the 1800s. As trains started coming through here, they would have to have more power. Those trains were operated by coal or wood into a boiler for steam, for the steam engine to turn. So we're going uphill, they'd have to put more coal or wood in that firebox to get more power created more black smoke. More black smoke would come out of the chimney stack onto the gorge walls. So that's why the wall is black on this side.
Yeah.
They've been talking about that in
All the claims department.
right here is the wood line, and that's where you want to get off. That car is right but of course, again, if you haven't caught up with that server, please do that. I have Jamie out here. If you haven't seen your pre-boarding photo, catch up with her. She's got some photos with her. They're very good pictures, so at least take a chance, take a minute and talk with Miss Jamie about looking at your pre-boarding photos. They are very nice pictures.
I'm inside one of the cars right now, and I'm going to pan around here so you can see it. And see our other intrepid travelers are in the car here with me, and maybe they'll wave at the camera. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see here. Well, sort of. Okay, Ed Getley signing off. There's a lady that waved there. Now you can wave.
Oh, hello.
All right, good. Thank you.
And you can stay out here if you don't have to go back in and pick anything up off the ground. You can stay out here. I will be deboarding at the end of this car here. Like I said, you don't have to go back in, you don't have to. Again, on behalf of the Royal Gorge Route train staff and myself, thank you. You have a great afternoon, and please be safe no matter where you go.